Yes, people, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, we're doing this chapter called as Rules of Debit Credit and the Accounting Procedure. In the last class, we had a discussion on the classification of accounts. In that, specifically discussed about the rules laid down in traditional classification. Yes or no? Traditional classification, also called as golden rule of accounting. Golden rule of accounting. Can we do a very quick recap? Can we do a very quick recap? Yes. So, guys, accounting is a systematic process. Accounting is a systematic process. It's not a process that you can do whatever you feel like doing. There's a system into it. So, accounting is a systematic process of identifying a BFT or a BFE. Identification of BFT or BFE. Then, what is the next step? To measure in terms of money. Then, record through journal. Then, classify through ledger. Then, summarize through trial balance, trading profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Once you prepare the financial statement, with that, the accounting doesn't stop. After this, what are you supposed to do? Interpret or analyze the financial statement. Once you interpret or analyze the financial statement, you're supposed to communicate the result of the analysis to the users of financial statement. In total, there are how many users? 7 users. Got it, not got it? 1 internal user, 6 external user. I've not gone depth about internal external users. In the upcoming classes, I'll go in depth. Got it, not got it? Okay. In the recording stage, there are certain steps that you have to take care of. Once you identify a BFT, in the BFT, you have to identify accounts involved. So in a transaction, there could be how many accounts?
2 and 2.
Minimum 2. 2 or more, rightly said. 2 or more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anything. But in a transaction, there can be maximum 2 aspects. One, debit, another credit. Minimum, maximum only 2. One is debit aspect, second is credit aspect. So once you identify a BFT, in the BFT, identify the accounts involved. Got it, not got it? Now, you take whatever account you want. You will be able to classify them under 5 categories. 5 categories. For convenience, I've made 5 categories as 4 categories. Yes or no? So what is the first category? Expenditure category. Next category, income category. Next category, capital separate category, liability separate category. Since both has got the same emotion and feeling, I've combined it. Ana rendume separate category. Got it, not got it? Last is asset category. You take any account, cash account, bank account, asset account, land account, building account, plant machinery, investment, debtor, sales, expenses, anything you take, you'll be able to put them under these category. Got it, not got it? So once you identify the accounts involved, you have to classify the nature of accounts. You have to classify their nature of accounts, whether they are expense, income, capital, liability, asset. Once you classify that, as per the rules of debit credit, either golden rule or modern rule, you're supposed to decide what should be debit and what should be credit. Got it, not got it? If you decide what to debit and what to credit, and if you give debit and credit, we say we are following double entry system of accounting. Okay, not okay? Okay. In the last class, we begin our discussion on the golden rule of accounting, also called as traditional approach, also called as traditional classification. This is the olden rule that has been granted, in which it says that all the accounts can be classified either as personal account or real or nominal. So if I'm account, let's say I'm expense account, I'm income account, I'm gain account, I'm loss account. If I'm these 4 accounts, I will go to whose house? I'll go to nominal house. All the expenses, losses, income and gain. If you come across any account which has got a flavor of, which has got a taste of expense, loss, income and gain, you will go to nominal account. Got it, not got it? If you go to nominal account, what is the rule here? What is the rule here? If you are expense and loss, debit yourself. If you are expense and loss, debit yourself. If your income and gain, credit yourself. So debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Okay, not okay? Now this expense income is from whose point of view? From business point of view, third party point of view? Business point of view. So this rule is applied from the perspective of business. Got it, not got it? Hell no. I am asset. All the assets will go to which house? Real account. Except bank, debtor, BR, prepaid expenses, accrued income. Even though these 5 are asset, these will not go to real account. This will go to personal account. This will go to personal account. So all the assets except the following will go to real account. If you go to real account, what is the rule of the real account house? If asset is coming inside the business, debit yourself. If the asset is going outside the business, credit yourself. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. I am liability. I am capital. I am bank, debtor, BR, prepaid expense, accrued income. Where should I go? To personal account. If you go to personal account, what is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Got it, not got it. Real account and normal account, both are from whose point of view? Business point of view. In business, money is coming in. In business, money is going out. For business expense, business income. So these both are from business point of view. Whereas personal account is opposite person point of view. Debit the receiver. Who's receiving here? Third party, not business. Third party, receiver. Always this rule is applied from the perspective of third party. Opposite person. Is he receiving money or giving money? Is he receiving goods or is he giving good? So everything is applied from third party point of view. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Bank, why it is coming under personal account? Why? Because bank is a artificial person. All the artificial person will come under personal account. What is artificial person? A person created by law, which is nothing but business entities. All the business entities are called as person. Who called all the business entities person? Law. Our law says that all the business entities are person. Why did law say these are persons? Only when you are a person, you can buy property, sell property. You can sue somebody, you can be sued by somebody. Got it, not got it. For you to do all this activity, you need to become a person. Entity cannot be natural person. So we made them artificial person. Who made it? Law made them artificial person. Got it, not got it. So personal account is further bifurcated under 3 categories. One is natural person account. Second is artificial person account. Third is representative person account. Natural person account means human being created by God. Ram, Sham, Ghansham, Sita, Gita, Rita. Okay, not okay. Human beings. Who's artificial person? All the business entities, financial institutions, Reliance Industries Limited, Tata, FFLA, Kalpavirish Academy, bank, all these are artificial person. Representative personal account is nothing but representing a group. Outstanding expenses, I gave example last class. What is it? Outstanding salary means what? Outstanding means what? Pending to pay, yet to pay salary. When will I pay? In future. Anything that I pay in future is liability. So this liability, I have to pay not to one person, group of multiple staff. I said I have to pay 1 lakh for how many staff? 10 staff. Upon this 1 lakh is not one party ka payment. It is group of multiple party. Hence we call this as representative personal account. This account is representing 10 employees. Hence it is called as representative personal account. Got it? Not got it? So under representative personal account, what all will come? Any kind of outstanding expenses. Outstanding salary is just one example of outstanding expenses. So any expenses which you have enjoyed the benefit but not paid, that is called as outstanding expenses. Like that, prepaid expense will come, accrued income will come, income received in advance, also called as unearned income, then BR, BP. All this in depth I have to discuss, which I'll discuss in journal topic. Especially the first 4 are there, no? First 4, I'll discuss 2 times. One in journal, second in final accounts. These are the most complicated transactions in the entire 11th standard. The accounting of these 4 are the highest complicated, which I'll discuss 2 times. One in journal, second in ledger. Clear or not clear? Now, if he is asking, sir, if only one employee is there, for him, you have to give outstanding salary up to na. In practical life, I'll put that outstanding salary as what classification? Natural. But in exam, whenever they ask, study-wise, whenever they ask outstanding expenses, we'll always assume that this outstanding expenses representing multiple people. So by default, from the exam point of view, what will you write and come? Representative. But what you said in real life, only one person have to pay salary, sir. What classification? Natural person account. But such question will never come in exam. From exam point of view, outstanding expenses by default, you'll write as representative. Got it, not got it. To be very honest, in real life, I don't apply all this rule. We only apply modern rule. We never apply this. Since it is a part of a syllabus, we're discussing it. So in 11th standard, we'll give equal importance, equal weightage to both golden rule and modern rule. The moment I step in 12th, the moment I come in CA foundation, CA enter, CA final, we are only going to study modern rule, modern rule, modern rule. Am I loud and clear? Now, if this revision is done, can we go to questions now? Theory, if time permits, at the end, I'll come and read it for your satisfaction. Illustration 2. It says that state the nature of accounts. Nature of account should be stated as personal, real, and nominal. If you come back to my note, what I say here, classify the nature of accounts. Nature of accounts, apnina, asset, liability, capital, asset. No, that classification you'll do only for modern rule. So whenever they ask for golden rule, what is the nature? It is personal, real, nominal. For modern rule, what is the classification? Expenses, income, asset, liability, capital. So this classification is given under modern rule. But I use this for the purpose of golden rule. Got it, not got it. Only when I said, I'm income, I'm expense, which house I'll go? You said comfortably go to nominal. When I said, I'm asset, where should I go? You said go to real. I said, when I'm liability, where should I go? You said personal. So this data to put into your mind, I had to use this 5 people. Otherwise, in golden rule, there is no space for these 5 people. Purida. So in golden rule, if they ask you what is classification, don't write income, asset, liability, capital. It'll be wrong. In golden rule or traditional approach, traditional classification, whenever I ask classification, classify apnina, either personal or real or nominal. This is what you'll write in exam and come. Clear or not clear? Hell no. Okay. So the question says that below given question, classify them either as personal, real or nominal and show which account will be debited and which will be credited. Got it, not got it? Okay. Let's go with the first one. Rent received. Rent received. My first question to all of you. Is this BFT or not? Rent received. Is it a transaction? Yes. Rent received means money received. Transaction is exchange or transfer of funds between 2 parties. In that one party is business. Another party is third party. So rent received by whom? Business. If business is receiving the money, from whom am I receiving the money? From my tenant. So tenant is third party. I'm business. Got it, not got it. So it's a transaction. Second, is there any financial value? It will be there. Received means what? Paisa only, no. Upper financial transaction. Is this happening in personal life? Nothing mentioned means it is business financial transaction. Apana, this is a BFT. Money not given. So I'm not able to talk about money measurement. So I'm believing that money measurement also satisfied. Once money measurement is satisfied, next is what? Third step, recording in journal. To record in journal, what is the first step? In the BFT, identify the account involved. Got it, not got it. Here the account involved is directly given, rent received. Rent received. Apana, rent received in what? Cash. But what is the second aspect we don't know? In this entire illustration too, they have not given the full transaction. They've only given a part of the transaction. So I'm not able to identify multiple accounts. I'm able to identify only one accounts. Got it, not got it. In the BFT, you're supposed to identify accounts involved. And idhila vande, are they given the full transaction? Rent received or so much money from so and so person in cash, bank, anything given? No. But this question is half question. So can I identify multiple accounts? Not possible. Here, I can identify only one account. So for each transaction, I can only account one account. I can consider only one account. Got it, not got it? Okay. Rent received. What classification do you think it is? As per modern rule, what classification? Rent received apnina, inna pati pesa. Rent apnina, something I'm receiving apnina, I'm talking about income. Income only I'll receive. But rent here is what nature? Income nature. If I'm income, where will I go to? Nominal account. Debit or credit? Debit all expense losses, credit all income and gain. So this is credit. Got it, not got it? Rent received means what? Rent here means what? See, rent paid na the expense. Pay under the expense. Receive under the income. So rent received is income. Income will go to which house? Nominal. In nominal house, what is the rule? Debit all expense losses, credit all income and gain. So income should be credited is what I am saying. What are you saying? Credit or debit? Credit. Are we all agreeing to this? Okay. Let's look into the answer. Rent received, nominal, credit. Nowhere they've used the word income. Because income classification, expense, asset, liability is a classification as per modern rule. But here they are very specific. They're telling classify as per golden rule. அப்ப நீ என்ன பண்ணுவ? Normal தான் போடணும். Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Next. Interest received. Interest received. Whenever we talk about receipt அப்படினா income. Paid அப்படினா expenditure. Interest received means interest income. Interest income. All the income will go to nominal account. Nominal rule is what? Debit all expense losses, credit all income and gain. So interest received is income. Nominal credit. Got it, not got it? Next, machinery purchased. Machinery purchased. Is this a full BFT or part transaction? They've given part of the information. Full transaction kudukala. Full transaction, how it will be? Business purchased machinery for 2 lakh rupees from Ram on cash, on credit. Full data should be given. Then I can say it's a complete transaction. This is account, this is account, this is account, this is debit, this is credit, multiple things I can tell. And I'm என்ன பண்ணிருக்கான் அந்த டிரான்சாக்ஷனோட ஒரு பார்ட் மட்டும் தான் எடுத்திருக்கான். Second, identify only one account. So here, which account they're focusing on? Machinery purchased அப்படின்னா machinery பத்தி they're focusing. Machinery is my asset. Why is machinery asset? For a item to be asset, what are the conditions? First, the asset should be a resource. It should be a resource for earning the money in the business. Using machine, will I do business or not? Yes. Second, that I should either control or own it. Machine I am purchasing அப்படினு யார் owner பா? நான் தான் owner. Second condition satisfied. Third, this machine I should be using it to derive the future economic benefit. Means what? I should earn money out of it. If all the three conditions satisfied அப்படினா, this is your asset. This is your asset. Got it, not got it? அப்போனா நீ asset வாங்குறதுக்கு பணம் செலவு பண்ற பாத்தியா? That goes to your balance sheet. Which side? Asset side. Got it, not got it? Okay. Under asset, what asset this is? Fixed assets or other than fixed assets? It is fixed asset. Debtor is other than fixed assets. Fixed asset kulla enna varum? Two things more are that. Tangible asset and intangible asset. So tangible asset means what? That one which you can touch and see. You can physically touch, physically see. That is tangible. What is intangible? It's asset, but I cannot see. I cannot touch. So machinery is what? What is machinery? It's a tangible fixed asset. Tangible fixed asset. Got it, not got it? So this is asset. This is asset. All the asset will go to which house? Real. Except bank, debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, accrued income. In the 5 exception la machine varada varla. Appo machine will go to real account. So machine ka classification real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit all expense. Sorry. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If I buy machine will come inside the business or go out? It will come inside the business. Both real account and nominal account from business point of view. So machine is coming inside the business from business point of view. Machine is coming inside the business from business point of view. So it is debit. Debit what comes in. So machinery, real account, and will debit machinery because it is coming in. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Now, next is what? Building sold. Building sold. Building sold. Sir, purchase, sir, expense. Sale, sir, income. No. Goods purchased, goods sold அப்படின்னா, okay, purchase is nominal, sale is nominal. But when you're buying machinery purchased, machinery sold, asset purchased, asset sold அப்படின்னா, asset will be asset only. Even though you're selling it later, it is asset only. வாங்கும் போது asset வாங்குறேன், விற்கும் போது asset விற்கிறேன். So nature is what? Asset only. Building is asset. Why? Because building is a resource. I'll use the building to do business. That building, either I own it or control it. Third, using the building, I'll derive the future economic benefit. Since all the three conditions satisfied, building is my asset. Got it, not got it? Can I touch building? Yes. So it's a tangible fixed asset. Clear or not clear? All the asset will go to real account except those 5. In that 5, is building coming? No. Upon asset is your real account. Asset is your real account. What is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In business, if I keep on selling building will come in or go out? If I sell building goes away from me. Building goes out of the business. From business point of view, building goes out. But debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So whenever the building is sold, building account should be credited. Building account should be credited. Clear or not clear? See here, building, real, credited. Goods purchased. It's not machinery purchased. Now it is goods purchased. Goods another. What is meant by goods? Terms of accounting I learned. What is goods? Something that you buy with intention to sell or resell, or you use it for manufacturing purpose. So only two things in business you can buy: either stock in trade or raw material. If I'm a trader, I'll buy the product that is called a stock in trade. That is traded goods. Second is, if I'm a manufacturer, I can buy raw material. Got it, not got it? So goods purchased is nothing but it goes to purchase account. Which account? Purchase account. Purchase is my expenditure in business. Purchase for business, it is expenditure. So all the expenditure will go to which house? Nominal house. What does nominal the rule says? Debit all expense and losses. Debit all expense and losses. But goods purchase is what classification? Nominal. Don't say expense. If you write expense income, it'll be wrong. Expense is correct when you know. Had they told you to classify as per modern rule, then what you said expense is correct. In golden rule, you should say either personal, real, or nominal. Got it, not got it? So here, purchase account is nominal account. Got it, not got it? Why not expense? But you don't write expense income. Expense classification is as per modern rule. As per golden rule, what is the classification? Personal, real, and nominal. Clear or not clear? Upper purchase was the nominal. Being nominal account, we have to debit expenses. Debit all expense and losses. So purchase, nominal, and whenever you buy the goods, you'll debit in the purchase account. You'll debit the purchase account. Got it, not got it? Okay. Next is capital introduced. Capital introduced. Is it expense, income, liability, capital, or asset? Capital is capital only. You will not say liability. Liability means what? The money that we owe to third party is called as liability. External liability is liability. Capital is itself a classification. Got it, not got it? So as per modern rule, capital is capital classification only. Okay. All the capital account will go where? Capital level liability will go to personal account. So Apana, this is personal account. Yes or no? Okay. Personal account from whose point of view? Third party point of view. Ipo, capital introduce means what? Capital introduce means owner is giving capital to business. Owner giving, business receiving. Whose point of view I should see? Owner point of view. Owner point of view. Owner is receiver of the capital, giver of the capital. Is the giver of the capital. So what is the rule of the personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Owner, you said giver. Apan aina padno. Credit padno. Owner is giver. So his point of view is what? Giving. So what is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Giver means whose point of view? Owner's point of view. Third party point of view. Credit. So capital account should be credited here. So the account involved is capital account. Capital account, what classification? Natural personal account. I'm believing that the owner is human being. Natural personal account. Got it, not got it? And since the opposite party is giver of money, credit the giver. So opposite party we should credit. Owner we should credit. So capital account involved, which is personal account, and you should credit capital account, not debit. You have to credit capital account. Got it, not got it? Application properly happening or not happening? Hell no. Rent paid. Paid nale expense na. Upon a what account? Rent expense account. Account name is what? Rent expense account. Okay. As per modern rule, what classification it is? Expenditure classification. All the expense will go to nominal account as per golden rule. Okay, wow. What is the rule of nominal account? If you are an expense, debit yourself. Got it, not got it? So this is rent expense account. Nominal classification, and you have to debit this when I do the journal entry. When I do the journal entry, you have to debit it. Madam, you're lost. क्या हुआ? सुन रहे? Okay. Rent paid, nominal, debited. Okay, not okay? Hell no. Wow, wow, wow. Online people. Only 2 photos I can see, videos I can see. I can see only Jay Darshini and Sajaya. Others, Jalsa. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Nicely enjoying. Donkey people. Switch on. Mukesh. Pavan Kumar. Pritesh. Syed. Hey, Mukesh यार पा. Ah, now okay, right. Okay, okay, got it. क्या छोड़ना है? किसको छोड़ेगा तो भी? इसको पटाखे छोड़ने का सोच रहे हैं? नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. We go to lifestyle. If we do shopping அப்படினா, who will allow discount? We will allow discount, sir. Poor lifestyle. பாவம், பணம் இல்ல. Take discount. We will allow. Who will allow discount? Shopkeeper, business. Got it, not got it. In my example, whose business? We are business. We are business. We are doing accounting from business point of view. Business allows discount means for business gain, sir. Tell no. For business, lifestyle, discount allowed means gain for us. Gain only, no. Discount கொடுத்து நிறைய customers வருவாங்க. Don't take so much emotional heart. Discount allowed, பச்சையா loss. If I'm giving discount means it's a loss for me. அப்பனா it is a loss item. All the loss item will go where? To the nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expense and losses. Debit all expense and losses. What is the account name? Discount allowed is account name. What classification? Nominal. அப்போ இந்த account வந்து debit பண்ணுவீங்களா credit பண்ணுவீங்களா? You will debit it. Got it, not got it. So discount allowed account. Nominal classification as per golden rule. And you have to debit it. In the journal entry, when I do the journal entry in the next week, you have to debit this account. Got it, not got it. Goods sold. Goods sold. Sir, building sold, you said real, sir. This also real. Tell no. Goods sold அப்படின்னா what account? It's a sales account. Account பேர் என்ன? ஒரு பொருள் வித்தா எங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? Which account? Sales account. ஒரு பொருள் வாங்க எங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? Purchase account. Got it, not got it. So in which account will I record? Sale account. As per modern rule, sale is what classification? Income. All the income will go where? To the nominal account. So as per golden rule, it is nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses losses, credit all income and gain. Credit all income and gain. So account name is sale. Classification is nominal. Debit or credit? Credit. Balle, balle. Tell no. Shava, shava. Very good. Now comes illustration 3. You get a lovely time now. நான் என்னமோ ஏசி ரூம்ல உட்கார வச்சிருக்கேன், ப்ரொஜெக்டர் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுமா? You are sitting in theater. So when I'm doing sums in class, what are people doing? Aha. Oh, like that. Who will sit and work out? My papa will come and work out? No. Who has to work out? You only. So this question, please work out. Illustration 3. Do homework. Enjoy. Sir, நீங்க சொல்லி நாங்க பண்றதாவது. Illustration 3. Do right away in your notebook. From the following transaction, they have themselves told this is transaction. We'll account it, no? You have to check whether this is business financial transaction or personal financial transaction. Transaction agreed. Whether business or personal, we have to check. Be careful. From the following transaction, state the nature of accounts and state which account will be debited, which will be credited. As per GR. GR stands for golden rule. Write it down. So in this question, people, full transaction they've given, not the half transaction, full transaction. First column, transaction. Don't write this. Waste of time. You will write serial number 1, then accounts involved, nature of account, debit, credit, reason. Do it fast. This many columns. This is not required. In my class, not required. Exam, if your teacher says, do and come. I'm a nice teacher. Serial number, accounts involved, nature of accounts, debit, credit, reason. This many columns are sufficient for me. Online people, கேமராக்குள்ள வந்து முக்கு அடிப்பேன் நான். ஆஃப் பண்ணினா வீடியோ. டாங்கி. Okay, now first transaction. Pavan started business investing capital in cash 2 lakh rupees. Who's Pavan? Pavan is Pavan, sir. Who's Pavan? owner. Okay. Pawan started business investing capital in cash. First of all, is this a transaction or not? It's a transaction because it is happening between Pawan and business, which involves transfer of cash. Got it, not got it? Okay. Second, they are dealing with money. Upon finance is involved. And this is happening in course of business. It's a BFT. Okay. Second condition is what? Measure in terms of money. Is it in money form? So 2 lakh and plus it is rupees INR. Money measurement also over. What is third step? Recording. But for recording, what is the first step? In the transaction, identify the accounts involved. So how many accounts should I open here? One is capital account of Pawan. One is Pawan's capital account. So why should I open his account? பணம் வாங்குறல்ல நாளைக்கு business க்ளோஸ் பண்ணா திருப்பி அவனுக்கு பணம் கொடுக்கணுமா கொடுக்கூடாதா? We have to repay the money back or not in future? Anna, we have to give the money back, no? To the owner, we have to pay money back. Anything that I have to pay in future is a liability. So I have to capture this on liability side. Why? Because I'm Gajini, I will forget. In order not to forget, we have to make a note of it. Got it, not got it. Okay. So one is capital account, one is capital account. One account is capital account, another account. Why cash account? The money coming in, no, sir. Physically. Up a physical box, cash box, money is there. Up in book also you should record, no? Because your book cash and physical cash both should match. Do you understand when I say book cash, what does it mean? Book line account mandra cash, where the books cash. The cash which is physically there in the drawer is called as physical cash. Both should always match. Apo cash account have to be opened. Okay, not okay. Okay. Let's talk one by one. You tell me first. Capital or cash? Which you want to know first? Cash. Cash is, as per modern rule, what classification? Asset. All the asset will go to real account except those 5. In that 5 is cash coming. No, upon a cash is real account. As per golden rule. Real is as per golden. Real is as per golden. Okay. Real account, from whose point of view to apply? Business or third party point of view? Business point of view. For business, cash is coming in or going out? Coming in. Real account ka rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash is coming inside the business or going outside? Think and respond. Owner is giving money. Owner giving up now for him out. For business it is in. What is the rule? Debit what comes in. Debit what comes in. Okay, not okay. Wait. Let me finish the capital part also. Or you want to do it simultaneously? Simultaneously do it. Cash is the account involved. Real. In debit column 2 lakh. Why reason? Debit what comes in. Do it. If you want, you can put one more column just for your knowledge. Nature of accounts as per modern rule. You can put one more column. Nature of accounts as per modern rule. What is it? Asset. At the end also you can do. Last column also you can put. Only for your understanding I'm telling. But in exam, if they ask golden rule now, don't put the modern rule ka classification income. When they're asking modern rule, don't put golden rule ka classification. What they're asking, give that alone. Let's talk about capital. Capital. What is it? As per modern rule, what classification? As per modern rule, capital only. Means I have to pay this money in future. Upon a liability. Okay. All the capital and liability will go to which house? Which house? Real account, sir. Capital will go to real account house. Online people are saying yes. Will go to personal account. Natural or artificial? Pawan. Creation of law, sir. Pawan is created by law. Hell no. Who's Pawan? Creation of God. So it is natural personal account. Got it, not got it? Okay. What is the rule of natural personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Whose point of view? Third party point of view. Business, Pawan is third party. Pawan is third party. From Pawan's point of view, is Pawan receiver of capital or giver of capital? He is giving capital. He is giver of capital. Upon debit the receiver, credit the giver. Credit the giver. Got it, not got it? Credit the giver. So capital, natural personal account, credit him. Reason is, he's the giver of capital. He's the giver of capital. Personal account is always from opposite person's point of view. I'm telling you, people in 12th and CA foundation struggle to apply the golden rule. I'm telling you, people in foundation also, people struggle to apply because they haven't studied properly. If their condition is like that, Apnina, imagine your condition. That's why I'm going aram se. I'm not rushing up anywhere. I'm making a basic foundation so strong. Tomorrow, let the journal entry, let the ledger, let any topic be screwed up. You will be in position to face it because I'm putting that logic in your mind. By repeating 10 times, I'm putting the logic in your mind. Your foundation is going to be very strong. Tomorrow, let the question be how much are challenging. You will not know how to approach the question. Yes or no? Next, purchased goods for cash. It's a BFT. Yes. Measured in terms of money also. Yes. Once you come to third stage recording, what is the first step in that? Identify the accounts involved. How many accounts you want to capture here? Two. One is purchase, to record my expenses. Because in expenses, if I record in business, it helps me to reduce my tax. Second, since I paid money, my physical cash is going to go out. Up I need to capture that also. So the two accounts that I'll open is purchase and cash. Let's talk about purchase first. As per modern rule, purchase is what classification? Modern rule. Expenditure. Very good. As per golden rule, all the expense will go to nominal account. Nominal ka rule is what? Debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain, debited. This is from whose point of view? Business point of view. So purchase, nominal, debit, 1 lakh expenses. Write it down. Cash, I'm not repeating because already you know. Cash is asset as per modern rule, real account as per golden rule, and cash is coming in or going out? Coming in. From business point of view, cash is going out. I'm purchasing goods. Upon a paying money, cash paid, cash is going out. Credit what? Goes out. Credit what? Goes out. So cash, real, 1 lakh credit goes out. This space is fine, no? No problem, no? This space is fast. Correct it is? Okay. Sold goods for cash. Very difficult. I don't know what account to open. I'll open goods account. Goods account I'll open. So goods is coming now to record it. Very donkey fellow, goods will record, but not during the transaction, at the end of the year. So whenever goods is purchased and sold, you will never open goods account. When will you open goods account? At the end of the year to record the closing stock. That time I'll open the goods account. Got it, not got it. And the ledger name is going to be closing stock account, opening stock account. Got it, not got it. So goods will never be opened. Sold, apnina, I need to record my income. If I don't record income, apnina, income tax department will come and bite me. Because income increases profit. More profit, more tax. So if I don't want income tax bite, I need to record income. So I have to capture income. As per modern rule, sale is what classification? Income or revenue. The right term that they've used is revenue. What is the classification as per modern rule? Revenue. Okay. All the income will go to which house? All the income will go to which house? Open your mouth and say, nominal. Very good. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all, expense losses, credit all, income and gain. So I will debit, sir. Credit. Whose point of view? Business point of view. Sale, nominal, credit, 150, income. Next is cash. As per modern rule, cash is asset. All the asset will go to real account except those 5. Cash does not come in that 5. What is the rule of real account? What is the rule of real account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Online people, okay, no? Tell, open your mouth and say then. Like this name. Open your mouth and say. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here sold cash up, I mean sold goods na, cash is also going out. Cash also is going out. Cash is coming in. Apana, debit what comes in. Debit what comes in. So cash, real, debit, 150 comes in. Reason. Keep the fourth one pending. We'll do fifth one. Sold goods to Ashok. My question to all of you. Third point also sold goods. Fifth also sold goods. Both are same, sir. No, this is CT, cash transaction. More specifically, cash sale. Sold goods to Ashok. Anywhere have they mentioned that Ashok paid the money? No. Aparna, this is what transaction? Credit transaction. More specifically, credit sale transaction. Got it, not got it? Okay. In this, which account I need to open? Sir, sale account because I need to record income. Next, goods will never come. Why Ashok account you need to remember? Because from Ashok you have to collect money. When? In future. I need to remember, no. Because if I don't open Ashok account, I'll forget. Why? Because we are Gajani. So two account to be opened. Sale account. As per modern rule, sale is what classification? Income or revenue. All the income and revenue will go where? In the golden rule. Which house? Nominal house. Debit all expense and losses. Create all income and gain. Okay, not okay. Okay. Ashok, sir, very confusing. Yo, who's Ashok? Ashok is a natural personal account. Okay. Before that, who's Ashok? Debtor. Debtor. Debtor na? Asset. Debtor means asset. So as per modern rule, Ashok is asset. All the assets will go to real account except bank. Debtor. Debtor is not going to real account. Appo inge pova. Personal account. So he is natural personal account. Okay, not okay. Okay. What is the rule of natural personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Business point of view, sir. Business point of view. Whose point of view? Third party point of view. So Ashok point of view is he the receiver of goods or giver of the goods? This transaction is talking about goods. So Ashok is receiver of goods or giver of goods? He is receiving goods. We are giving. But from opposite person point of view, he is receiving goods. Apana, what is the rule? Debit the receiver. Debit the receiver. Got it, not got it? So Ashok, natural personal account, debit 60,000 because he is the receiver of the goods. Please write it down, receiver of goods. Don't just write receiver, receiver of goods. You have to be very clear. Prathik video, Mukesh video, Syed video. Okay, not okay. Tell no properly, no energy, I'm going by. See, I've turned my chair also, I'm going. Bye, कौन बोला bye? मैं बाय बाय करके चला गया ना, फिर तुम लोग गाओगे बड़ा पछताओगे, बड़ा पछताओगे, मैं बोल रहा हूं मैं. And if I go, I will not come back also. You ask your seniors, how many times I've walked off like this? You ask and see. Then the only way to correct is, you have to get me Ferrero Rocher ka big box. நீ அது கொடுத்தா தான் திருப்பி நான் வருவேன் நான். Who made me upset, that person alone will get me the chocolate. If 5 people made upset, na 5 Ferrero Rocher box I want. Got it? அதுவும் என்னது? Just 1, 2, 3 double. Proper full piece. How many? What is highest piece? 32 wala double only I want. Minimum. Okay வா? புரிஞ்சதுல? எப்படி லஞ்ச் எல்லாம் எப்படி கொடுங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சதுல இப்போ? Now, fourth one. Received interest from Ram in cash. Very difficult. Nothing I'm able to understand. Received interest from Ram in cash. Received interest from Ram. Received interest from Ram. What interest I'm receiving? Accounts interest. Law, tax, economics, max. What interest have it? Interest in which subject? Oh, that is not subject interest. But what interest it is? Interest means I don't understand. What is meant by interest here? Football interested, cricket interest. Which interest are they talking about? In accounts, we only talk about money. நீ பேசினாலும் சரி, நான் பேசினாலும் சரி, பணம் பத்தி தான் பேசணும். பணம்னா accounts, money. Got it, not got it. Apna sapna, money, money. Got it, not got it. Interest here means what? Money. Received interest money from Ram. Why is Ram giving us interest? Why is Ram giving us interest? He has no other work, sir. Tell no. Donkey fellow, it is not mentioned means what? You apply your common sense. We gave loan to Ram. Our money, Ram is enjoying. Our money, Ram is enjoying. Will we allow our money to be used by somebody free of cost? No. If somebody using my money, I will tell, for using my money, you give me something in return. That something in return, what I get from is called as interest. Got it, not got it? சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன். All of you know the concept of fixed deposit? Fixed deposit. What does it mean? Donkey fellow. Fixed deposit means whatever surplus money I have, I don't know what to do. Extra money is there. Extra money. I give it to the banker. I give it to the bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. I give it to them. What is it called as? It calls as extra money deposited by us with the banker. So why is banker taking the extra money? He has no other work. Yes. What will banker do? No. Banker is into lending business. அவனோட source of income என்னது? உன்கிட்ட பணம் வாங்கி he will lend. He will lend it to his other customer, loan customer. That is borrower. Correctly said. Borrower will pay 12% interest. அப்ப banker income என்னது? Interest income is the income for the banker. Got it? Not got it? Because bank is into lending business. Bank into lending business. So banker is lending this money to customer. Customer is using money, no. For that, he has to compensate by paying interest. Got it? Not got it? In that, banker 12% money is earning, no. He will pay, let's say, 5% interest to us. But what is his profit margin? 7% is the profit margin. So this 5% banker is paying to us because banker has used our money to earn this 12%. Got it? Not got it? For using our money, he is paying us interest. Got it? Not got it? So in this world, if anybody is using somebody else's money, if I am using somebody else's money, to that somebody else, I need to pay interest for using his money. In this world, nothing will come free of cost. Everything is valued by money. Got it? Not got it? So here, in our example, what happened? You know, business lend money to Ram or lent money to Ram. Why did business give money? Because business had surplus money. It did not know what to do with that. So Ram came and asked, business, do you have 5 lakh rupees? Yes, said yes. Business gave this money to Ram. Can business give this money free of cost to Ram? It can give, but nobody will give. So what did business say? For using my money, you have to compensate me by paying interest. So Ram paid interest to business. Or we can say business received interest from Ram. Got it? Not got it? For business, interest received is income. Got it? Not got it? So received interest from Ram. Why did I get money from Ram? Because Ram used business money. Ram used business money. So to compensate that, Ram is paying interest. Got it? Not got it? Business gave loan to Ram. Business gave loans to Ram. For enjoying that money, Ram is compensating by paying interest. So Ram paid interest to business or business received interest from Ram. Got it? Not got it? Eppadi calculation pannalum, this is my income. This is my income. Clear or not clear? Now tell me people, in this, how many accounts are affected? 2 or more than 2? Only 2. One is interest because I need to capture income. If I don't capture income, who will come and bite me? Income tax department. So for showing income, I need to record income. Okay, next account. Cash, because physical cash also is coming. So cash I need to increase in my books. So 2 accounts I'll open. Interest is what classification as per modern route? Income. Technically called as revenue. All the income will go to where in the golden rule? Nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expense and losses. Credit all income and gain. Whose point of view? Business point of view. Interest is nominal, 500 credited because it is income. No. Now, sir, Ram account will it come? No, because Ram has paid the money. If he's paid the money, if I have received money from Ram, do I need to remember his name? No. Remember DMart. DMart, everybody pays the money and go. Will I remember the customer's name? Not required. So if any person is paying the money Abdina, I don't need to remember his name. Got it? Not got it? Correct. He's telling, sir, maybe if it is not paid, and the maybe kuduthiruknalla. Kudukla appadina, what is the assumption? Fully paid. Had they told half the money not paid appadina, then Ram account will come. So that becomes your third account. Had they told here, received half interest from Ram in cash, but remaining half is not received. In that case, third account will come, which is Ram account. Sir, one more time, sir. Okay. Received half interest from Ram in cash. How much? 500. Now in this transaction, 3 account I will open. 3 account I'll open. One is interest account to record income. How much is income here? Full 1000 rupees. In that 1000, half the amount is received in form of cash. But remaining 500 I have not received. When will I receive? In future. Anything that I receive in future is asset. Who's that asset? Ram is asset here. So here how many account will come? 3 accounts will come. 3 accounts will come. Got it, not got it. Out of these 3, 2 will be debit, 1 will be credit. Or 2 will be credit, 1 will be debit. That we have to apply the rule and only decide. Okay, va. Can you apply the rule now? Interest is income. Apana credit. Ram is natural personal account. Natural personal account. Okay, va. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Ram is receiver or giver? Sir, wait. You guys started confusing, no? Other people have to confuse now. Wait now. Ram is natural personal account. Yes or no? What is the rule of natural personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Receiver, giver. In this transaction, Ram is neither receiver nor giver. Here, golden rule is a failure. Oh my God. I said you in the first class of rules of credit. Golden rule is a useless rule. It's a failure. To overcome that failure only, modern rule we are studying. இப்போ புரிஞ்சுதா இந்த கொஸ்டினை எப்படி ட்விஸ்ட் பண்ணி கேட்கலன்ட்டு கேட்டிருந்தா மாட்டிருப்போம். What answer to give here? Hence, those complicated transactions they have not asked only. Like this, there are so many transactions I can prove it to you in the entire 11th and 12th where you're not in position to apply the golden rule. Hence, we apply modern rule. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Ram is receiver or giver. எதுவுமே கொடுக்கலப்பா. Out of 1000 rupees, half money received, half not received. Got it, not got it? Appo the entry for this is what you know. Ram account debit, cash account debit, 500, to interest income 1000. அப்ப Ram debit பண்ணல, என்ன வச்சு debit பண்ண? Can I apply golden rule here? No. Golden rule is a failure here. Got it, not got it? So here what will I apply? Modern rule. How is the application? I'll discuss in the next class. So same question, remind me. I'll solve the same question with modern rule. Okay, not okay? I hope I have answered your query. Okay, va? Okay. Can we continue? Ram account, I don't have to remember because already paisa received from Ram. No need to remember Ram's account. Next is cash. Cash, all of you know this. Asset. Which in the golden rule? Real account. Cash is coming in. So debit what? Comes in. Debit what? Comes in. Got it. Not got it. I'm asking you only. Cash, real, 500 is coming in debit side because debit what? Comes in. Purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. Which all account? Purchase account. Purchase account. Purchase account. Wrong. In purchase account, what do you take? What is the meaning of purchase? Anything that I buy, any goods that I buy, not assets. I never use the word buying asset. So what will go to purchase account? Goods. And that too, that good should be purchased with intention to sell or resell or use in manufacturing. Use in manufacturing. Got it, not got it? Here, the furniture that I'm purchasing, have they told that we are the dealer of the furniture? Am I going to buy and sell the furniture? Anywhere in the beginning of the question did they tell Pavan is the dealer of furniture? He is a furniture manufacturer, furniture dealer. Have they told? No. Apana, he is going to use the furniture for more than 1 year. More than 1 year. Got it, not got it? So this is asset. This is asset. Furniture is a resource. I'm going to use it in my business. This furniture, I either own it or control it. And with this, I will generate future economic benefit. And this benefit will come to me for more than 12 months, more than 1 year. Since all these conditions are satisfied, furniture is asset. So I need to open asset account, not purchase account. Sir, had the question told, Pavan is a dealer of furniture, then furniture here becomes goods, not asset. If it is goods, then this will go to purchase account. Got it, not got it. So here purchase account will not come because furniture is asset. So purchase account will not come, furniture, asset, as per modern rule. All the asset will go to real account except those five. In that five, furniture coming? No. Apana, this is real account. Real account, the rule. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whose point of view? Business point of view. If we keep on buying furniture, furniture will come inside the business. Debit what comes in. Okay, not okay. Furniture, real, debit column comes in. Next is cash. What is cash? Asset, real. If I keep on buying furniture, I have to keep on paying cash. If I pay cash, cash will go out. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Credit what goes out. So cash, real, 50,000 in credit goes out. Tell this is very difficult. Tell no. Easy or difficult? Interesting or not interesting? I'm telling you, of all the 5 subjects that you've chosen, accounts is the most interesting subject. But only if you understand it. Only if you understand it. This is the most easiest subject and scoring subject. Of course, after that, maths comes. But since I'm accounts teacher, accounts is favorite. Maths भी अच्छा लगता है. Very good. Accounts? ज़्यादा किसमें आता है? மாமன நீ 3 மாசம் மட்டும் இரு. உன் மூட மாத்தலன்னு வச்சுக்கோவேன், என் பேர் மாத்திடு. Give me 6 months, people. 6 months later, same question I'll ask him. After 6 months, he will tell accounts. நீ வெயிட் பண்ணு, உன் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் மாத்திரம் பாரு. हाँ? मैं ऐसे पढ़ाऊंगा, ये जबरदस्त अकाउंट्स बोलेगा अभी. तो देख. கடைசியில நீ சொல்லுன்னு வச்சுக்கோவேன், அப்ப இங்கிட்ட ஒரு கூகுளி பால் இருக்கு. அந்த கூகுளி பால் வச்சு சொல்ல வச்சிருவேன் நான். Paid wages, 20,000 rupees in cash or in check or in GPay or in PhonePe or NEFT or RTGS. Nothing they mentioned. In such case, you're supposed to make assumption. Assumption should be of two bases. One, the assumption should be logical assumption. Second, it should be best case assumption. Okay, not okay. But sometimes CBSE does not think all that. It says something blindly to follow, we have to follow. Generally, I'm telling you, how do you make the assumption? Assumption should be logical. Second, it should be best case assumption. There are multiple options. I can assume multiple things. Is the best என்ன assume பண்ணணும். But that and all they will not follow. Like that, the assumption here is, if nothing mentioned means assume as cash. For CBSE people, state board people, in 11th and 12th, whenever they say paid, mode is not given, what will you assume? Cash. When you come to CA foundation, there will assume as bank. Got it, not got it. But you are CBSE graders, state board people, what will you assume? Cash. So whenever they say paid cash, paid something, received something, what form they have not told means always assume as cash. Please make a note down. Assume cash, paid. So how many accounts are involved? So 2 accounts. One is wages account. Second is cash account. Wages as per modern rule, what classification? Expenditure. All the expenses will go to real account, sir. No, nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expense and losses. Whose point of view? Business point of view. Next is cash. Cash is asset as per modern rule. All the asset will go to real account except those 5. In that 5, does cash come? No. Upon a cash is real. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whose point of view? Business point of view. So cash is coming in or going out? Going out, because I'm paying cash. Going out. So credit what goes out. So wages, nominal, debit all expenses. Cash, real, 20,000, credit what goes out. Any difficulty in this? How many of you have not done this question right now? How many of you have not done it? Raise your hands. One. Oh, பண்ணியா நீ இப்படி பண்ணியா நான் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிட்டேன். How many of you have not done this question right now in your notebook? Half it is done. Why? Remaining half? Oh, she went to the Ram case. Oh, half money Ram paid, half money not paid. Half question I'll do now. Remaining half question. Boring, sir. Boring, eh? Okay, how many of you have done half question? Oh, not, you are not alone, madam. आपके बाजू में है, वहां पे भी है. Very good, very good, very good. Who has done the full question? Lovely. Send them confirm. No, this will prick those people who have not done the question. Oh, you send them poche. No problem. I'll give one more chance next class. So with this, we're done with the topic of golden rule, also called as traditional approach, also called as traditional classification. I'll do a very quick reading of this theory. With this, I'm done. Personal account. Accounts which relate to person, individual, firm, artificial person, company, artificial person, debtor, either natural or artificial, creditor, etc. are called as personal accounts. Example of personal accounts are Ram and Co. Ram and Co means it's a entity, enterprise. Business ka name is Ram and Co. Means what? Sole proprietorship concern. A customer debtor or the account of Javeri and Co, a supplier of goods. So basically what they're telling is that all these are called as personal account. ரொம்ப நல்லா எழுதிருக்கான் இல்லையா? ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது இப்படி பண்ணா. Creditor, capital account, drawings, all these are called as personal account. The purpose of maintaining personal account is to know the balance, how much due to them, or from them, how much we have to receive. What is the balance due to be paid to them, and what is the balance due from the person or organization? Person means natural account. Organization means artificial personal account. Got it? Not got it? Personal account ka 3 category: natural, artificial, and representative. The term natural person means person who is creation of God. Therefore, these will include accounts as individual name: Ram individually, Asha, Disha, Trisha. Okay, what rhyming? Okay. Accounting rule: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Artificial: these accounts include accounts of corporate bodies, institution, in short, entities, enterprises. For example, accounts of limited company, Reliance Industries Limited. Mukesh Bhai ka company name is Reliance Industries Limited. They are called as limited company. Account of a club, cooperative society. All these are called as entities. So make a note of all the entities ka name. Sole proprietorship concern is one entity. Partnership is one entity. Then LLP is one entity. Under company is entity, but company's got 3 classification. One is OPC, one person company. Second is PVT, private limited company. Third is public limited company. Okay, wow. Then AOP, association of person. BOI, body of individual. Trust, society, club. All these are different types of entities. Once you finish 12th, now come to foundation inter. That time I'll discuss in depth. In your syllabus, you have so much. In your syllabus, you have this. In 11th, you have accounting for sole proprietorship concern. In 12th, you have partnership and companies. That's all. Nothing else is there in your 12th standard, 11th standard. These 3 are only covered in 11th and 12th. Got it? Not got it? But all these are called as entities, enterprises, artificial person. So why I'm making you write all this is because just in case if they use the word society or a club apnina, you should know that it is a artificial person. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Representative is nothing but representing a person or a group of person. Outstanding rent. Where is it? Prepaid, accrued, outstanding, unearned. All these are 5 different categories. Got it? Not got it? So whatever I said, same masala is there. I told in simplified form. This is a little bit complicated. So what is the rule here? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. From whose point of view? Business point of view. Be very careful. Business point of view. Okay, no. He was about to correct me, but the moment I overpowered him, yes, an agreement now. Whose point of view? Third party point of view. Under impersonal account, you have two accounts. One is real and second is nominal. Real and nominal. Real accounts are those accounts which relate to tangible, intangible asset, excluding debtor. Only one thing has excluded. மீதி நாலு யாரும் வந்து எக்ஸ்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவான் என் தாத்தாவா donkey people. That's why I don't go through this theory book only. So what we agreed, you're okay with that, no? Manageable, no? Okay. Am I a good teacher? Hell no. She's not agreeing. No? Okay. இல்லை ஐ கூட நல்லா கஷ்டப்பட்டு நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். You see this theory, if I teach this theory, will understand anything? What are they telling? Real accounts are which relate to tangible, intangible, excluding debtor. Example are land, building, investment, plant, machinery, goodwill, etc. About patent, copyright, confusion will come. If I had taught from this theory book, no, full confusion would have come. Now I made your life easy. Clap for me, then. Now, okay. Control. Rule. Debit what? Comes in. Credit what? Goes out. Whose point of view? Business point of view. Accounts which relate to expenses, losses, gain, revenue are termed as nominal account. What is the rule for this? Debit all expense losses, credit all income and gain. So whatever we studied, same data has been mentioned here. Got it? Not got it? So 2 more classes and we're done with rules of debit credit. So next class we'll do modern rule and question based on that in the following class, right? So after that is over, what is the next chapter? Journal. Same ditto topic, same debit credit only, but we'll do in the format. In the format, how to do it, we'll learn. And in that we have little bit new concepts coming in. Okay, wow. Hello, great. So guys, you have a test. Today is what? Tuesday. You have class on Thursday. Saturday, no class. And Sunday, you'll have a class. Till Sunday, what portion I've taken? Following Sunday, next Sunday, you have a test. Okay, not okay. Okay, wow. Oh, Sunday too late. Oh, no problem. Following Sunday, what Tuesday comes? No, that Tuesday I have test. Okay? So people are so sad. Oh, next. What is this? Happy? Okay. Whatever portions I have taken so far, from that only I will ask. Okay, not okay. Listen now. Shoo. Shh. Listen. Shoo. Whatever I have taken, from that only I'll ask. Prida. So I will share the PDF to all of you in the WhatsApp group, or maybe ma'am will share it in the app. So there's one app. Ma'am will teach you how to operate that app. Okay, in that app, all the data will be uploaded. Please study and come. This time, since it is first test, I don't want to be too hard on you. You know, I'm a nice gentleman. So I'll go a little soft. So we'll try to do more of MCQ. Right? Then writing theory. What is asset? What is liability? எழுதுறதுக்கு உனக்கு மூடு இல்லை, கரெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு மூடு இருக்கும். ஆனால் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். அந்த பேப்பர்லாம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணானா நீ என்னென்னமோ எழுதி வச்சிருப்பேன். அதெல்லாம் படிக்கிற என் தலையெழுத்து. ஐயோ வேண்டாப்பா சாமி. So first test, I don't want to demotivate myself. So I will give lot of MCQ question. MCQ and sums. What we did today. Like this. Okay, wow. Clear. Now, I'm informing 1 week prior about your test. Now some people come and tell, sir, I didn't study, sir. மாவனை நீ வாயை தோர்ந்து ஸ்டடி பண்ணலன்னு சொன்னேன்னு வச்சுக்கோவேன், அழுதுவேன் நான். And if I cry, no, you cannot see. I'm telling you, you ask the seniors. I look very ugly when I cry. You don't believe? அது அவன் கேட்கவே இல்லை, காது கொடுத்து அவன் காது இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான், ஆனா கேட்க மாட்டேன்றான். So 1 week in advance I'm telling, please study. Till modern rule, full portion whatever I've taken is applicable for you. Got it, not got it? So mostly MCQ based question and followed by that sums. What like we did today, no? Illustration 3, like that we'll ask questions. Okay, wow. Chalo, great. So guys, that's all from my side for this session. I will see you all in the next class, which is Thursday, 7:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you so much.